Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 26th and Friday the 27th of October 2017. Hope you're having a great week. It has been a very nice week finally for us. We had some movement today. Markets did a little more than they've done in a while, and that was exciting. It was to the downside, but made good money on it. So it's been a good 3 profitable days so far. Hopefully more to come. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. So the daily chart of the S&P in broad market and futures form, the broad market. You can see the dip, although it recovered some, but we will go through everything here and then talk about what the intraday action was, and then we'll talk about what's to come for the rest of the week. So crude oil lost almost a penny, no big deal, 52.17. Gold up 70 cents, that's also a blip. S&P cash index lost 11.98, gap down and did not fill. NASDAQ 100 lost 25.18. SOX lost 16.11. We never got the 13 sell signal on the SOX. Came very close. Have to go back up a little bit to get that. Biotechs have been getting killed here the last week, down another 35, almost 36 points here on Wednesday. The VIX was only up 7 cents, but it's back to 11.23, which seems like a more reasonable area for the VIX. The trend 1.01. NASDAQ volume was 2.2 billion. That was heavy. So that's what was interesting. We got movement with volume. So there's some real things going on there. Advanced decline ratio, negative 636 on the NASDAQ. That means 636 more stocks were down than up. On the New York, it was negative 1445. That is one of the worst advanced decline ratios of the last year. And I see about 5 days lower than that at any point in time. Google gained actually up $2, almost $3, $2.97. Held up during this decline. Apple down 69 cents, which is just a blip there. Amazon down $3. Really just a blip on Amazon. Netflix down $2.25. Never got the 13 sell signal there either. Tesla, on the other hand, we made some money here. Down 11.30, 11.50. It was an ugly chart there. And then the TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 59 cents. Goldman Sachs back down $3.13. Let's take a look at the intraday action on the ES futures. So again, you can see Tuesday was pretty flat. Monday there's a little dip in the afternoon, but here we got a gap down and we just kept going. Got a 13 buy signal right at the low of the day. We haven't had these buy signals intraday for a while because the action's been so narrow. You need some energy to get the buy signals. Look at this on the NASDAQ side. This one gapped down, filled the gap, then rolled over. And again, the 13 was the low candle right there. It was amazing. So it's definitely an interesting day for us. Now, question becomes, what do we have left in the week? As this will be our last report, we don't typically do market previews for Friday because most of the week has played out. So we're going to focus on what's left of the week itself here tonight. And then we've got one more week till the time change, next a week from Saturday, the time change. But Thursday morning, we got the weekly unemployment jobless numbers, the good trade balance number, preliminary wholesale inventories, pending home sales 30 minutes into the market, natty gas an hour into the market. The big one's Friday. First look at GDP for the third quarter. That's going to be a big one, always is. And then revised University of Michigan sentiment at 10 o'clock, 30 minutes into the market. That's what's left for the week. That GDP number is the big news. That'll be Friday morning. Hopefully we get some other action here ahead of the market, ahead of the weekend. Can't complain at all about this week, and hopefully the next few weeks will be just as exciting as this one has been. Chart as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday.